Okay, this is a quick tutorial about how to use the Image to Go cropping tool to get an image for your website that's a specific size and specific ratio while giving you some sort of creative input on which bits of the picture you want to see. So the first thing here, as we get to their cropping tool, you've got a few options to upload your image. You can either give the image URL, use your Dropbox or your Google Drive. I'm just going to go ahead and choose one from my computer here, and you'll see that this image is quite landscape. It's kind of a very wide and not particularly high image, so that's quite a good candidate for something where we might want a more normal sized image, say a 4:3. In our case, we're going to want an 800 by 600 pixel file. So the image is just uploading. And you can see now it's uploaded and it will bring it into the screen. Once it brings it into the screen, we're going to see a few tools here and we'll show what to do. So you can see the whole image. It's very, very wide. It's highlighted for us the bit in the middle, which is this 16:9 ratio that's their default. We want to do something slightly different. So we're going to click on Custom up here, and we're going to input the pixel dimensions we want it to be in the end, which is 800 by 600. Okay, so you can see now I've now got a box that I can move around, and if that fitted nicely artistically into what I wanted, say like that, then I could go ahead and select that. But let's say we want a little bit more of the aeroplane in our picture. All I need to do is grab one of these corners, and you can see I can expand the box and then reposition it again. And if I get that nice and central there we go. You can see that's a fairly good sort of crop for that image. Then we do apply. And that will then recalculate. Ignore the grey bits. It's this bit we're interested in. This is what we're going to see as our final image. So that's what we want. Now we do save as. I can change the format. Typically JPEG or PNG is what we want. I can change the file name, for example. We'll put underscore edited there. You can dial about change the quality. Obviously, the lower the quality, the more grainy the picture is going to look. And if you've changed the picture from a very small to a larger size, for example, or something like that, you're not going to get great results unless you have the quality all the way up. So we're going to choose about 85% there, which is the default again, and that's good. For DPI, we're looking for the web for 72 DPI. For print, you want 200 or more often 300. So that's that. There we have the image. We'll save it, and you'll see it will download to our computer once it's done processing. Okay, there it is, and it will download down here. If I double click on that, you'll see now I've got my picture, and that's exactly what we wanted. I can now go and upload that picture to my website. There we are. I hope that was useful.